Good evening. After spending most of the week in a tight range, the key Indian stock indices finally gave investors something to cheer about ahead of the Christmas weekend. ADAG stocks were on fire and RCOM surged by 10%. Tire stocks gained after the government decided to cut the import duty on natural rubber. Public sector oil marketing companies came under pressure after crude oil prices moved past the $91 per barrel ahead. In other market action, sugar stocks advanced after reports that future trading in the commodity will resume on Monday. A whole host of other individual stocks climbed on favorable news flow. The BSE Sensex closed at 20,073, up by 90 points over the previous close. It had earlier been as high as 20,086 and as low as 19,880 after opening at 19,911. The NSE Nifty rose 31 points to end at 6,011, up by 0.5% after opening at 5,940. The best part about today's session was that the advance was across the board, with the broader market also participating in it. The BSE Small Cap Index and the BSE Mid Cap Index gained approximately 0.3% each. The market breadth was positive, with 1,573 shares rising and 1,263 shares falling on the BSE. In terms of sectors, indices for consumer durables, metals, FMCG and pharma rose anywhere between 1 to 2%. Power, realty and capital goods indices rose 0.5% to 1%. IT, banking and oil and gas indices were subdued while auto index lost approximately 0.5%. The key indices started the day at the day's low and then turned a bit higher before slipping into the range-bound trend. The breakout for the day came around 1 p.m., after which the market managed to sustain the momentum and close near the day's high. In global action, most markets in Asia finished lower, led by Japan and China. Stock benchmarks also declined in Hong Kong, Australia and South Korea, while the Straits Times in Singapore managed to buck the negative trend. In Europe, markets in Germany and Spain were shut for Christmas holiday, while trading activity was fairly light in UK, France and other parts of the region. Most markets that are open for trading will close after half day. Financial markets in the US will also remain shut today for Christmas. Thank you. Wish you have a great evening ahead. Merry Christmas.